KashKick receives fewer reports of account bans than Freecash, largely because it offers fewer earning methods and has a simpler platform with fewer opportunities to trigger fraud checks. By the end of this video, you'll know why accounts get banned on both platforms, which one has the stronger reputation for account stability, and how to reduce the chances of losing access to your earnings. The short answer is that KashKick is generally the safer choice if your biggest concern is avoiding an account suspension. User discussions and reviews mention account bans less often than they do for Freecash. That doesn't mean KashKick never closes accounts. Like every rewards platform, it monitors for suspicious activity. Using false personal information, creating multiple accounts, using a VPN when it's not allowed, or attempting to complete the same offer more than once can all lead to account reviews or permanent suspension. Freecash follows similar rules, but its platform is more complex. It combines surveys, offer walls, games, cashback offers, and cryptocurrency rewards from multiple advertising partners. Every partner has its own fraud detection system, so users have more chances to run into verification requests or account reviews if something appears unusual. Another reason Freecash generates more complaints is its popularity with offer wall users. Many promotions require strict completion rules. If an advertiser detects duplicate accounts, inconsistent device information, or activity that doesn't match its requirements, rewards can be rejected, and in some cases the account may be investigated further. Neither platform bans accounts without having policies in place, and not every complaint posted online tells the full story. Some users are reinstated after providing identity verification or additional information, while others remain suspended because the platform determined that its terms had been violated. The best way to protect your account is to follow the rules from the beginning. Use your real personal information, keep only one account, avoid VPNs unless the platform specifically allows them, complete offers exactly as instructed, and respond quickly if the platform requests verification. So which platform has fewer banned accounts? Based on user reports, KashKick has the better reputation for account stability. Freecash offers more ways to earn, but its larger network of advertisers and stricter fraud detection create more situations where users report account reviews or suspensions. The key takeaway is simple. KashKick has fewer reported ban complaints. Freecash has more earning opportunities but also more account verification issues, and following each platform's rules is the best way to keep your account in good standing. If this comparison helped you choose, like the video and subscribe for more honest rewards app comparisons.